Hey, what's up guys? I know how much you love my unboxing videos, so here's another one for you. This is the Gravitas dock made by Henge Docks. This is the unboxing video. I just received this in the mail today. Okay. So this is the dock itself. It is called the Gravitas dock. The dock that stays put is their little tagline they have here. This is what it looks like. It comes in a pretty sweet looking box. Let's see how cool the product is. It feels pretty heavy, so I'm thinking it's going to be relatively sturdy, which is why I purchased this dock. I've had other docks in the past that are not sturdy. On the side, it has some instructions here. It tells you basically what it comes with, which is the USB cable, iPad insert, iPhone insert, and then the actual dock itself. So, alright, let's get this thing open. Wow. That is really nice. So the box just kind of slides off, and it looks like it already comes pretty much ready to go. Just gonna pull it out. Wow. I can tell you right now, this thing is definitely pretty heavy. Probably weighs a good couple of pounds. It also comes with some information here. This is a user guide. Oh, and it comes with the USB cable itself, which I think attaches that. And then these are the inserts. Now, I have an iPhone 7, and I don't have a case on mine. So I'm gonna see, well, I'm gonna see how the iPhone fits in here. Oh yeah. Anyway, we'll have updates, but this is the dock. Looks pretty nice, and we'll check it out.